First, draw a right triangle in which side other hypotenuse our length of 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and we are draw first line this size of its size of 8 centimeter. First we are going to draw 8 centimeter line and we are going to make 90 degree. And how to make 90 degree? So first is 60 degree and this is 120 degree, and cut this and this is 90 degree. So this is our 90 degree and this is 6 centimeter and multiply and A, B and C, and this is, and next we make point of B is 60 degree and 60 degree and cut A2, A1, A2 and A3 and point A3 and B we attached, and next parallel of point of B line equal to A3 and B. So this and this, first is B dash and this is C dash, and we are construct 3 by 4 time corresponding side of the first triangle, and this is our construction.